Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sukara. A few days back, Bombay High Court of Nagpur bench, they have delivered a judgment regarding abusing of the other persons. The Bombay High Court single judge, Justice Dev, while disposing the case of Subhash Misri Lal Jain versus Lakshman Singh Kondiba Anwar in criminal appeal number 552 by 2021, disposed on 14th October, that is this month, just a week back. Right. The single judge, Rohit B. Dev, he held that mere allegation that the accused abused the complainant does not satisfy the ingredients of section 504 of the Indian Penal Code. There should be intentional insult to provoke, to cause or to break the public peace, which is necessary to constitute section 504 of the IPC. My dear friends, you may be knowing the incidents that are occurring in our state, Andhra Pradesh. So one party says the other man has abused him, the other man has clearly gone through the Google and he said he has disclosed the meaning of the so-called word. Of course, let us not go into that case, but almost on similar lines, we are discussing this case also. If you go through the case, normally details of the case, it will be better for you to appreciate or know the details of the case. Just simply if I give a citation, it is not sufficient. If I make you understand the sum and substance of the case in brief or nutshell, I think it will be useful for you. First of all, let us know what is section 504 IPC. 504 IPC speaks of the intentional insult of a man with intent to provoke breach of the public peace. This is more necessary. Second point, please underline, to provoke or to break the public peace. So it is necessary for constituting 504 because as friends, as enemies, normally we use foul language or abuse language quite often. మీరు నేను మాట్లాడతారా కోరా అరే తురే నా కొడక భవిష్యత్తు ఇవన్నీ మాట్లాడుతుంటాం. కానీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, it is not an offense under 504. If the intention is to breach the public place, definitely it comes under 504. Right. Here, the complainant, he is Mr. Subhash Misri Lal Jain. He has actually abused the accused has abused our complainant Kondiba Anwar in filthy language. Actually, it is a dispute regarding a site. The complainant has got some site and the accused, who is a rich, influential, local, I can say politician, or you can understand that he is a rowdy. Right? Local influential person, accused, he wanted to grab the land. Incidentally, he approached our complainant Anwar and asked him to give it or to sell it at a throwaway price. But the complainant is not willing to do so. He wanted to construct he is liking some building or something like that, a commercial complex. He wanted to construct some commercial complex and get some rent. This is intention. So he has totally objected for the same. So the accused person, who is a rich and influential person, as already told by me, he has come, he has threatened him, and he has used abusive language, and the threatening went to the extent of killing him also. Suppose if you do not sell this particular property to me, you will be nowhere in this world. That is the thrill. And he has literally used the so-called slang, like so-called abusive language or unparliamentary language, whatever you can think. Now, the complainant filed a case against him. The case was registered by the police under section 504 and 506 IPC. 504 already I told you, abusing. 506, this is criminal intimidation, that is threatening or harassing. So here this Nagpur bench court held that mere abuse does not come under 504 IPC because it happened between two persons. The parties are only two. There is no public interest in this connection. But 506 acceptable because he has threatened him, he has intimidated him. Suppose, Are Baba, Mr. Kandiba, what is his name? Jain. Mr. Jain, if you do not sell the property, come on, I will kill you. I will get you killed in a road accident, like that he has threatened. So, as far as 506 IPC is concerned, it is okay, but 504 does not come. So, section 504 IPC was crashed under 482 CRPC. In this connection, once again, please, as students, please remember the celebrated case law by the Supreme Court in the year 2019 itself, Justice Ashok Bhushan and another, I do not remember his justice name. So, they have clearly held in the case of state of UP versus Vikram Johar, or Vikram Johar versus state of UP 2021. So, allegation of abusing, mere abusing the complainant, it cannot come under section 504 IPC. So, there should be an intentional insult to provoke breach of peace. Right. Here what happened is, so when this man, maybe he may be a rich and he was summoned, since the police have filed the charge sheet, he was summoned by the court to attend on a particular date. So challenging his summons, he approached the Honorable High Court of Bombay bench at Nagpur. So the judge observed that it is a trite law. Please remember, it is not necessary. Trite law that summoning a person to the court to attend or to face the prosecution, it is a serious matter. Let it be a simple case, a serious case, whatever it is. But a person coming to the court, summoning a person to come to the court and answer, any case, definitely it is a serious matter. So in this connection, the magistrate, the session judge, they have to apply judicial mind, whether summoning is necessary or not, whether the particular act is fitted, it comes under the ingredients of section 504 IPC or not. Simply because the complaint is one of survey number 190/1 in Chikli division, and since the accused is a rich and politically connected person, and he wanted to purchase the land from complainant without willingness, how can he give? Therefore, on 17/8/2017, so at 11 a.m., this man, the accused, accompanied by 5 others, he came to the house of the complainant and threatened to murder him. Therefore, this case. So ultimately, finally, what I want to tell you is section 506 per se is not it does not come under the so-called intentional insult. But please remember, if this insult provocates and if the insult breaches the public law and order or the public peace, definitely the person is liable under 504 IPC. So very good judgment. So please read the case law, that is Subhash Misrilal Jain versus Lakshman Kondiba Anwar, 2021, Bombay, single judge. And secondly, previous Supreme Court judgment also. So Vikram Johar versus State of UP, 2019. Thank you very much.